This is the summary of pages 60 through 75, and I like to call this part of the novel Sustaining Books. So this is kind of a transitional part, the first 3 points here, but it is worth mentioning. So after Beatty leaves, Montag shows Mildred all of his books and asks for at least 24 hours of support. He kind of asks almost for 2 days, 24 to 48 hours. Mildred is shooken up. She is very much worried that she's going to lose her cozy life since her husband is making not a lot of money, but enough money to sustain her obsession with technology. But he begins to read and analyze the books he has. Montag and Mildred, not so much Mildred is reading, but Montag is definitely the one reading, and she's listening in. And Mildred complains that she likes the colorful TV better, that she enjoys the entertainment that technology brings. Montag really figures out that he needs a teacher. He needs somebody, a sidekick, because clearly his wife isn't being supportive. And he's reminded of when he met a retired professor at a park a year ago named Faber, and he remembers Faber giving him his contact information, his address, and his phone number. So he calls Faber and asks him if there were any copies left of the Bible, and Faber kind of obviously tells him no, tells him why is he calling him on his home phone, and he hangs up on Montag, and Montag realizes that he has the last copy of the Bible probably ever made, and he comes up with the plan of wanting to make a copy of the Bible before giving it back to Beatty. So this part of the reading ends with Montag in the train heading over to Faber's house, and as Montag is trying to read the Bible and he's trying to memorize these verses, he's being bombarded with disorienting and constant jingles of advertisement. And that's where the reading ends. Thank you so much and enjoy this reading.